When you look at the market, there's a lot of mixed feelings as to what's going on. Are mortgage rates going to come down? Are tariffs really going to impact what's going on here in the United States? You have the geopolitical issues that are going on within the United States and abroad. We see nothing but opportunity. We see an opportunity to expand our market share in each and every single market where we're doing business. We're sticking to our knitting. We're going to feed developers and builders, be it on the residential or the commercial uses. What we're going to continue to do is to deliver quality investment products which are based on real estate land assets to our clientele here in the U.S. and abroad.
We are an international company and we have offices all over the world. And what's really interesting is that people think, oh, do we own land in those places? Well, all of the land is in North America. It's just international investors are very interested, excited, and committed to investing in the United States because we're the powerhouse of the world. So international investors can invest in land in the United States, and then our team that is based in the United States can work through financial advisors whose accredited investors get to invest in the land assets. It's an asset class that most individuals, unless you're coming from, multi-generational, super wealthy multifamily or single family office, and that's been passed down in your family for generations. Most individuals are investing in stocks and bonds or developed real estate for income, and we give them diversification in their portfolios, the ability to get growth in their portfolios as well. And so it's a great asset class for advisors to be able to put in their clients' portfolios to diversify them and give them better returns.
So when you're talking to a broker-dealer, an RIA, a family office, the first thing you have to do is dive into and research and pull out of them, what do they want? What is their goal for their clients or themselves in terms of what do they want to see in an investment? Are they looking for income? Are they looking for growth? Are they looking for a combination thereof? Do they have a specific time horizon around when they want that money back? When somebody says to me, Todd, I'm looking for growth. I don't need income, right? I've got my income satisfied with my job or something else. I'm going to show them our DST, which is a growth product. If they're saying I need income, then of course I'm going to pivot. I'm going to share with them our builder land financing strategies. If they're looking for both, we've got some products that we're developing here in the U.S., which we already have overseas, that can provide both income and growth to them.
How our investment products differ a lot of the time versus maybe other land bankers in the space is I have really the luxury of being able to walk down the hall and having a full boots on the ground real estate team who's one phone call away in the markets in time zones across the US. When we are creating new funds and raising new capital for our funds, I'm confident in our ability to execute on our investment plans and really underwrite our risks appropriately in regards to having boots on the ground on these assets, having seen these assets, not just being a company that raises capital to invest in a fund where, hey, maybe the ultimate land purchase is one fund away. If you're investing in a secondary fund, we really are the asset manager as well as the entity operating the funds. So it gives a bit of a unique perspective there where there's real-time feedback constantly. We're not waiting for reports to come out from a third-party asset manager in regards to how our investment capital or our funds are doing. On a daily basis here, on an hourly basis, I'm getting updates on our assets across the country, the funds they relate to, and updates on their performance.
Capital markets is very important. We like to say we're a real estate company, we're also a sales company. Right? And so without the ability to raise capital, we wouldn't be the Walton that we are today. Having a global operation that's constantly raising capital 24 hours a day around the world is very important for us. And it's very important for us to put good investments in front of our clients so they rinse and repeat. They keep coming back.
We're raising capital from family offices, from RIAs, from broker-dealers, from individuals, from family offices. It gives us a large group of investors to work with, and each one of those different investor groups are different around the world, so we structure our products accordingly.
I've been at the company for 9 years, and every year that I've been at the company, we've grown focusing on our two main goals, which are exits of our land under management, as well as expanding our capital raising partnerships both globally and here in North America. The years of experience and the diversity in backgrounds of the people we employ here at Walton really gives us an edge versus someone who's just managing money or just developing deals.